So our E10 is equals to maximum between E8 plus T 8.10 or E9 plus T 9.10. So it is maximum between our E8 is 17 plus. Let us see from 8 to 10. 8 to 10 it is 5 hours. It is 5. Then E9 is 10 plus 9 to 10 it is 7, right? So it is equal to 7 plus 5 22, 10 plus 7 is 17, so maximum is 22. Now this gives the earliest time for each event, right? So let us go back to our network diagram, and what we'll do is we'll try to fit in two boxes for each event, right? Two smaller boxes for each event. Let's change this thing to white. Same. Let us add this here. So one box will record the value of earliest time. Another box will record the value of latest time, right? So let me make it a little bigger. So this kind of boxes will be added for each event. Right? So I'm taking this, let me put it here. Fine. So each event, at the bottom of the events, we are adding some boxes just to store our earliest and latest time values. Right? While doing manually, you can draw your boxes. Or you can pick up any such methodology. Just you need to record this with the events, so that entire information will be on the same diagram, right? So that's the only purpose of adding these boxes. Next, just one more. Yes. Right. Now see, the left part will store the values of earliest time. So our E1 is 0. So I'll write 0 here. Then E2 is 4. We'll write E2 is 4. Then E3 is 1. So it is 1. Next, E4 is 5. So E4 is 5. Next, E6 is 11. E6 is 11. Fine. Then E7 is 15. E7 is 15. Right. It is 15. Need to drag it a little more. 15. E8 is 17. E8 is 17. Then E9 is 10. E9 is 10. And finally, E10 is 22. So our E10 is 22. Right? Now, I've not written for E6. E6 is 11, right? Is E5 also 11? No, E5 is 7 and E6 is 11. I have made a mistake. E5 is 7 and E6 is 11. Fine, so we are done with all the earliest time. Now, we will go to calculate latest time. Latest time, right? Now remember, latest time is denoted by L and it is always started from the last event, right? So last event was 10, right? And L10 is always equals to E10, right? That means the latest time of last event will be equal to earliest time of last event, so it is 22. Then after 10, it will be L9. Now we have to see that ninth event, right? If we come in backward direction, we can come from 10, right? Because 9 and 10 are connected to each other. So it will be written as E10 minus traveling time between 9 and 10. So E10 is 22 minus, what is our traveling time? 9 to 10 is 7. So equals to 15. Next is L8. Again, go to your diagram. See, 8th event, again you can come from 10. So it is E10 minus T8 dot 10. So E10 is 22 minus, let us see, 8 to 10, it is 5. I'll just copy this here. So it is 5 equals to 17. Next, L7. Now see, 7th event. Here is 7th event, and we can reach it from 8th event. So it is E. This is not E, this is L. I'm sorry. This is also L. I'm sorry. This is so L. So L8 minus T78. So L8 is 17 minus, you see, 7 to 8, it is 2, that means 50. So L6 will be, again go to your diagram. L6, you can reach 6th event from 8th. So it is L8 minus D68. So L8 is 17 minus 68 is 1, which is 16. Then L5. Now come and see L5. Fifth event is here. Now see, fifth event you can backward integrate reach to 5 from 7 as well as from 6. So in case of multiple ways, in case of latest time, we go for minimum. In case of earliest time, it was maximum. Here it is minimum. So minimum to this thing, 1 is 7 and 1 is 6. So it is L7 minus T57 or L6 minus T56. So minimum between L7 is 15 minus. Let us see, 5 to 7 is 8 equals to 7. And L6 is 16 minus 5 to 6 is 4 equals to 12. So minimum is 7, therefore L5 is 7. Then L4. L4, go to your diagram. This is your fourth event. Fourth event you can reach from 9. So it is L9 minus T49 equals to L9 is 15 minus your T49 is 5 equals to L3. Again, go to your diagram. 3, you can reach from 2. You can reach from 4th. You can reach from 5. So it is minimum between L4 minus T34, comma L5 minus T35. So minimum between L4. What is our L4? Our L4 is 10 minus 34 is 1 equals to 9. And L5 is 7 minus 35 is 6 equals to 1. So the minimum value is 1. L2, go to your diagram again. 2 you can reach from 4th. So it is L4 minus T24. So L4 is 10 and 24 is 1 minus 1. So it is 9. Lastly, L1. Go to your diagram again. See, your L1 again has first event you can reach from 2, also you can reach from 3. So it is minimum between L3 minus T13 or L2 minus T1. So minimum between L3 is 1 minus T13 is 1 equals to 0 and L2 is 9 minus T12 is 4. So equals to 5. Right? So the minimum value is 0. So this is the latest time for all the events. Now again, we have to go back and record all the events. So our L1 is 0. So we inserted L1 is 0. Then L2 is 9 and L3 is 1. So L2 is 9, L3 is 1. Right? Come down. L4 is 10, L5 is 7. L4 is 10, and L5 is 7. Fine. Then L6 is 16, L7 is 15. This is 16, right? And this is 15. Then L8 is 17, L9 is 15. L8 is 17. L9 is 15, L10 is 22. L9 is 15 and L10 is 20. So see, we have constructed a network diagram. We found out earliest event time. We also found out latest event time. Now we need to find it out, determine the critical path and total project duration. Fine. So now look out for these boxes which you have entered and recorded your earliest and latest time, right? Those events, right, which have equal earliest and latest time, identify them. For example, this has, so just fill in it with a color, right? Then 3 also has, so let us fill 3 as well with this color. Now move again. 2 does not have, 4 does not have, 5 has, so 5, right? Then 6 does not have, whereas 7 has. 7. 8 has, right? 9 does not have, whereas 10 has. And no other event apart from this marked one has the equal earliest and latest time, right? So this shows our critical path. So our critical path is from event 1 to 3 to 5 to 7 to 8 to 10. Right? And the project duration is from 1 to 3. 1 to 3, that means 1 hours. I'll just write project duration. So see, 1 is connected to 3, that is 1 to 3, so 1 hour, plus 3 is connected to 5, that means 6 hours, plus 5 is connected to 7, that means 8 hours, plus 7 is connected to 8, means 2 hours, plus 8 is connected to 10, and we have 5 here, right? So plus 5. Now add it up. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 2, 17 plus 5, 22. So the project duration is 22 hours, right? So we have answered 3 things. We drew a network, we compute earliest event time and latest event time, and finally the critical path and project duration. Fine. Hope you have understood. For any further query, you can contact me on arg.srkr86 at gmail.com. Thank you.